welcome to my channel. I'm going to do powder. Okay, let's fix so I'm going to Maddie next. So I can do my makeup today.
You gotta show off your brushes and say what kind of brushes you're gonna use.
I'm going to use my blush and
Did you answer the one?
today I am going to do it today.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This gorgeous gal right here is my niece Piper. And today it is Piper's birthday. She's 4. You want to say something, Piper? Go ahead. Say something.
I'm 4.
You are 4. Are you excited to get your makeup done today? So, Piper loves makeup. She loves her vanity. So, she's so excited to do this. So, for her birthday, she's going to have her own video of me doing her makeup, and then we're going to do another video of Piper doing my makeup, because as you can see, I need to get my makeup done, don't I?
Because you have these on.
I know. Auntie shouldn't mess with her skin. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's get into it.
Ellie, can I have this at my home too?
You want that?
Yeah.
Okay. She wants my beauty blender. I actually have another one of these. I can give you. So we'll do that because this one is like, she's been through it. Unless you really want this one, then you can have this one, baby. Okay, so first we're going to get into some blush. We're going to use the Cover FX palette. And I'm going to give this to her when we are done. What do you think, Piper? I can't see you, baby. Let's see. Oh. Let's see how we do this. Hold on. Do we have anything to sit you on? There you go. Sit just like that. Okay. So we're going to get into the Cover FX palette. Woo! And Piper, you get to have this when we're done with it. What do you think? Yeah? Okay. So we're going to put a little bit of blush on her. She does not need any foundation because her skin is gorgeous. So we're going to put some blush on her to just rosy up them cheeks a little bit. Let's see. Beautiful tan, blue-eyed beauty. Yes. Are you beautiful? Tell them you're beautiful. We're talking to people.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to tell them you're beautiful?
I think I'm shy.
You're not shy. You're little Miss Diva. You can talk about your vanity or talk about what you're going to do on your birthday. What are you going to do on your birthday?
Play with stuff.
You going to play with stuff? What are you going to do at your birthday party? Which I'm so excited for.
Play with my makeup.
You gonna play with your makeup? Are we also gonna go in the pool?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Little doll. So beautiful. And then we're gonna go take the beauty blender and we're gonna go into this gorgeous pink highlighter shade. We're gonna highlight her up. So I'm gonna highlight your nose. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. That is very pigmented. And we wanna blend that because she's 4. Ooh! Look at that highlight, Piper. Gorgeous. She just needs the tip of her nose because she doesn't need any contouring, anything. She is just beautiful the way she is. Ooh, look at that glow. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. But Auntie has another one of these that I can give to you if you want your own little beauty blender. You're not shy, silly. Do you like getting your makeup done?
Yeah.
Yes.
My nose is tickly.
Your nose is tickly. A little bit on your lips. Just a little bit, and then we're gonna blend that out. Okay, let me see. Let me see. Ooh, turn. Look at that shine. Do you see that? Do you see that highlight? Ooh, so pretty. Okay. Now we're going to brighten up this highlight a little bit. So this, Piper, is called, so we're going to go into the brightener shade in the Cover FX palette. So you take your beauty blender with the brightener, just a little bit, and we're just going to, do you see that? Do you see what that did? Do you see how bright your nose is? And we're just gonna blend that over the pink highlight. And what this does, Piper, is it brightens. Yes, girl. Can you say yes, girl?
Yeah.
Say it. Say yes, girl.
Yes, girl.
Isn't she the cutest, you guys? Yes, she is. My beautiful niece.
Your skin is like crazy.
As my skin is... She's used to seeing me all dolled up and everything, so... Well, you're going to fix that, right? You're going to do Auntie's makeup? Right? My skin is crazy. Oh! Okay, let's see. Ooh! Look at that highlight, Piper. So pretty. All right, now we're going to use the... What is this? Dominique's Cosmetics. Yes. Dominique Cosmetics in Peach Tea. It's a lip gloss. Ooh, you want to smell this, Piper? Smell it. Does it smell good? And we're going to put some lip gloss on. Okay, go. There we go. Good job. We'll put a little bit more. Good girl. See, she knows what she's doing. Piper has her own vanity. She has makeup. I'm about to give her some more makeup. She's going to have this Cover FX palette, which if anybody's interested in this, not this one, but anybody's interested in getting your own Cover FX palette, it has finishing powder. So this is face powder, Piper, contour. Yes, gorgeous. You can use the camera as a mirror too, baby. Ooh, so pretty. And 2 highlighters in the brightener. And the brightener makes so pretty. See? And this retails for $55 for this face palette. And Piper is going to get that today for her birthday. I know you want to do my makeup so bad. Okay, and then we're going to get into ColourPop It's My Pleasure palette. It's a purple palette. I've used this palette before. And Piper's going to get that for her birthday. Are you excited?
May I use it for your fingers?
You can. I'm going to show you how you use it, okay? So we're going to take a brush. We're going to take, let's see, because your eyes are, you have big eyes, but we're going to take a Luxie blending brush. Okay. And Auntie's going to send you home with some brushes, too. What do you think about that? Yeah. Okay, so we're going to go into Kitten Fish. And then you just want to put a little and then tap it off. Okay, let me see. Close your eyes a little bit. You have big, beautiful eyes. We're just going to blend that. And then we're going to go into Kitten Fish again and get in there. We're going to do just nice, tasteful makeup because, again, she's 4. We're going to go into Pretty Cruel, which is a brown with a glitter to it. And ColourPop is very pigmented shadows. And I'm going to show Piper how you use this. You just dab in there, babe. And then blending is key. Let's see. Gorgeous. Okay. I'm going to do your other eye. She doesn't need mascara. She has like, her eyelashes look like falsies. So jealous. Do you have pretty lashes? Do you have pretty lashes? Hmm?
Yeah.
Yeah, you do. Princess. I'm just gonna blend, blend, blend. Blending is so important. Do you like getting your makeup done?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you gonna have fun playing with your makeup when you get home that Auntie gave you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let me see. Beautiful. Let's see. Put that in a little bit more. Let's get that brown on there a little bit more. I don't want to go too crazy. Can you see it? Okay, so we blend, blend, blend. That brush you can have. Then we're gonna go into your clean blending brush so we can smooth out so it's not a harsh look. We don't want any harsh lines. We just want to blend, blend, blend. And then we're gonna highlight our brow bone. We're gonna go into Earth Shine. And we're going to highlight our brow bone. In our inner corner. And then we're gonna go and put this on our lid. And this is a very beautiful, you okay, baby? Iridescent shimmer with reflex of pinks and purples and blue. Just gorgeous. Okay. And there it is. Let's see if we have any fallout, because we don't want any fallout. What is that on your eye? There you go. Then we're gonna pop our finger on it, and we're gonna go into Earth Shine. Is that why you said, are we gonna use our finger?
Yeah.
Because you watch Auntie pop her finger on the shadow?
Yeah.
Yeah. She is one of my subscribers, and she watches my videos all the time. Do you watch Auntie's videos, Piper?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like watching my videos? That's good.
And I want to do that one.
You want to do that one?
This one.
Maybe we'll do... Okay, let's see. Because we got this pretty iridescent pink. Let me see. Oh, that's gorgeous, Piper. I think what we got going on right now is gorgeous. Do you have your lip gloss on still?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, let's show everybody what your makeup looks like. Do you like it? Yeah? Can you close your eyes? Ooh, so pretty. And that highlight, do you see that highlight? Yep, she's shining. So
Can I do yours?
Yep, you're gonna do mine. Okay, so let's say goodbye to everybody, and then we'll start our other video, okay? Thanks, guys, for watching. This is Piper's birthday video. We had fun doing this, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.